Hey there, nature explorers.
Ever wondered how plants that love to get their feet wet spread their seeds?
Let's dive into the fascinating world of water dispersal.
Picture this. You're strolling by a tranquil pond, and what catches your eye? A stunning water lily gracefully floating on the surface.
But did you know these beauties have a secret trick up their petals?
When their flowers are pollinated, they create special fruits that drift on the water's surface before finding a cozy spot to take root. Talk about a seed's aquatic adventure. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of the mighty palm tree? Those towering wonders often line the shores of oceans, and for good reason. They're nature's experts at water dispersal. Just think about it. Coconuts, those delicious tropical treats, are like nature's little sailors, floating across oceans to find new lands to call home. Next time you're sipping on a coconut smoothie, remember the epic journey it took to reach your glass.
And let's not forget about mangrove trees, the true champions of coastal living.
These sturdy trees make their homes right in the water in their seeds.
Well, they're like tiny adventurers ready to embark on a quest.
Whether they land on soil or drift away with the tides, mangrove seeds are nature's pioneers, laying the groundwork for new islands to form. And what about nuts like acorns, walnuts, and pecans?
They're not just tasty snacks. They're nature's multitaskers, designed to ride the waves during floods or hitch a ride downstream to find new places to grow. So the next time you're near water, keep an eye out for these incredible plant adventurers. Who knows? You might just witness the start of a botanical voyage. Stay tuned for more nature revelations in our next lesson.